Skincare is hard. From the weather to stress and everything in between, there are a lot of things that affect your skin. But there are a few apps that can help with your complexion. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and these apps will help you revamp your skincare. Clinique is a great line for skincare, and there's a Clinique skincare and makeup consultant app. You can get daily tips to better your skin, monitor your success with before and after photos to compare, and you can connect with Clinique consultants to get feedback on any issues you're having with your complexion. Get a digital analysis of your skin with the Skin Better Skin Analyzer app. Just use your device to take a snapshot of your face, answer a few questions about your skin, and the app will grade its condition and recommend products that will work for your specific skin type. Or check out the My Skin Skincare Advice app. Take a skin assessment and get a breakdown of what products will work for your skin before you buy. You can also converse with others on the app who share their opinions of what really works and what doesn't. So if you're struggling with your skin, try an innovative approach with these apps. Digital dermatology at your fingertips. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.